Combined Digilog Systems was established in 1985 as an electrical and electronics company. Digilog is based in the Electronic Zone, in TTC-MIDC Navi Mumbai. We specialize in developing customized electronics and software to offer turnkey solutions for process control, condition monitoring, and real-time data acquisition systems. Let us take you through some of our standard hardware products that can be configured depending on the customer's application requirements. Digilog I/O Controller Card is a programmable controller with up to 48 input-outputs which can be either pre-programmed to operate autonomously or can be made field programmable. It can also be controlled remotely with RS-485 or Ethernet Modbus protocol either from PLC or a computer. The 32-bit microcontroller onboard the I/O controller card adds the capability to use a high-resolution HMI connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet. The onboard micro SD storage card can be used for operational data logging. The modular design of the card allows up to 6 configurable I/O modules to be mounted on the motherboard. Each I/O module can support 8 channels of either digital I/Os or analog inputs. All analog input modules use a 16-bit ADC and can be configured to be voltage, current, temperature, or strain gauge inputs. The card is a compact unit which can operate from 5 to 24 VDC supply. The DI or DO levels can be accordingly 5, 12, or 24 volts DC. In addition to the 48 configurable I/Os, the controller can be used along with our analog output module. This adds the capability of generating up to 32 analog outputs. Our I/O controller cards can stream data directly to real-time IoT dashboards, and data can be visualized on remote software interfaces from any location requiring no PC locally in the middle. The controller can be configured to send emails and text alerts using triggers based on measurement thresholds and other parameters set by the user. The I/O controller cards have been deployed in applications having real-time monitoring, condition monitoring, and process control requirements. The controller card connected to a computer over any of the available communication interfaces can work with SCADA or other custom-built application software. Digilog I/O COM card is a more compact variant of the I/O controller card. This card is built to be versatile and compatible with most of the widely used communication protocols, including wireless RF communication. The I/O COM card has 2 I/O slots that use the same modules as the I/O controller card. The Digilog wireless module is developed to provide a dedicated wireless interface to any controller or PLC. The module can be used as an add-on interface to an already existing legacy system to provide wireless connectivity for IoT implementations. The module uses serial communication to collect data from other controllers and can be programmed to receive data wirelessly on Wi-Fi or SIM card-based GSM networks. The wireless module can be configured to use the industrial standard RS-485 Modbus. Typical industrial relay boards require each relay coil to be wired to individual digital outputs of a PLC or controller. Having the panel building background, we identified the flaws and cost implications when typical relay boards are used with PLC with the traditional wiring implementation. The Digilog relay board comes with an onboard 32-bit microcontroller and up to 16 controllable relays. Our relay board is built to use communication to control relays. Any PLC or controller can control the state of 16 relays over a simple 2 wires instead of 32. The relay board can also be connected to Wi-Fi networks for IoT-based implementations. Our modular designs allow us to combine multiple devices onto a single board, configure the I/O and communication interfaces, or even make new designs from the ground up to meet your exact application requirement. We have a well-defined process for designing and developing high-performance mixed-signal hardware and rich software interfaces. Our software design capabilities allows us to develop firmwares and applications for embedded systems and Windows computers. We have developed and deployed multi-layered turnkey software solutions that run on the different hardware platforms, varying from applications requiring firmware development for operating high-speed electronics for large data collection and logging to Windows applications that are complete end-to-end solutions providing user management and access controls, process operation control, data storage, and representations functionality like a SCADA system. We have deployed turnkey systems for applications like Pipeline condition instrumentation, where we built an embedded mechatronical system that worked in coordination with a Windows software to scan through a pipe section to detect the deformities in the pipe. This solution required the development of a fully customized electronic sensors embedded firmware and Windows software. Hydraulic component test bench monitoring system to convert a manual, an analog hydraulic test bench to a system that could be digitally monitored. The diagnostic functionality helps operator to identify any operational fault quickly and reduces overall system downtime. The hydraulic monitoring system uses the I/O controller directly with a custom-built Windows-based application software. Microwave disinfection control system, where multiple high-voltage components were controlled to disinfect biomedical waste. The microwave disinfection system used the I/O controller with a local HMI and the Digilog relay board. Structural health condition monitoring, wireless sensing, process control for variety of industry segments, automated test equipments and more. All of our products are designed and manufactured here in Navi Mumbai, India, so we are here to support the products we make.